going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. We finally got a nice day out here in Michigan. But today, I'm back in the garage for another Road Glide update for you guys. I know I've been doing a lot of modifications to my bike, my mom's bike, my dad's bike. We've been having a lot of Harley content on the channel, and it seems like most of you guys like it. So I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. I try to reply back to all my comments and answer any questions you guys may have. But today, we're gonna make my bike just a little bit louder. So last year when I built this bike with the Stage 1, I got all my parts from Moto. I ran a Moto Road and Track Jackpots 2-in-1 system with the carbon fiber tips, as you can see here, and then obviously the ghost pipe on the left side does not work. But being that I have stretch bags, I like to fulfill the holes, and I like the 4-inch tips, the big 4-inch tips that the Moto Jackpots do have. That's why I went with this exhaust. I'm also running a Roland Sands air cleaner and a Power Vision tuner, DynoJet Power Vision, with a custom tune by Moto. If you guys haven't already heard me in my last video, I order all my parts through Moto. That company is a great company to work with. They have the best customer service and their tunes are spot on. My bike has never been dynoed and the bike runs great for it being a Stage 1 114. So Moto just came out with a new baffle that I have here in my hand. It's a new baffle that goes in the 2-in-1 Road and Track exhaust here. And what this does is it makes it a little bit louder, and it makes it a little bit more raspy on D-cell. Almost like a D&D Billet Cat 2-in-1 or a D&D Fat Cat 2-in-1. I love the way the D&D sounds. It's my favorite sounding pipe, along with the Thunderheader obviously. But the reason I chose this pipe over the D&D on this bike was because I love the big 4-inch tips. If you look back at my last video, we just installed the D&D Billet Cat on my dad's 2020 Road Glide, and the tips just aren't as big. They're only a 3-inch tip. They don't fill the holes in the bags as well as these ones do. So what Moto did is they created this new baffle to basically sound just like the D&D. And after talking to the guys at Moto, they said that when you put this baffle in this Road and Track exhaust here, they actually picked up a couple horsepower, and it actually sounds better and is a little bit louder. So what we're gonna do today is install this baffle, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a GoPro on the saddlebag here and do a cold start, a couple revs with the current 2-in-1 Jackpots exhaust, and then I'm gonna go ride the bike and let you guys hear what it sounds like, you know, running through all the gears on the road. And then we're gonna come back, throw this baffle in, and then gonna do that whole process again so that you guys can see the difference between the Road and Track 2-in-1 Jackpot system and then that same system with their new RTX Baffle. So let's get started. Alright, so now that you guys heard what it sounds like with the standard 2-in-1 Road and Track baffle, I'm going to go ahead and take the end cap off here, which is, there's 3 Allens holding the end cap on. They're 4mm Allens, so I'm going to go ahead and take those off, pull the end cap out, and the baffle should be able to pull right out. I talked to the guys at Moto, and he says it's a fairly easy install. The baffle should pull right out, and then he said to put the new baffle in without packing. It'll make it a little bit louder and better performance. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so we got the end cap off. As you can see here, we've got our exhaust packing in here, and there's the baffle. Apparently I'm able to pull that out and put the new one in. Make sure you wear gloves if you do this yourself. Make sure you wear gloves because this is fiberglass and you don't want that getting in your skin. But yeah, we should be able to just pull that baffle straight out and put the new one in. Let's see how easy it is to get done. There she is. Wow, look at that. Smells like a lot of unburned fuel in there. So I'll show you guys the difference. There's the difference. See how this here has like a ripple effect to it? There's the difference, the old one and the new one. We're gonna run the new one without packing, and if it's too loud, I'll go ahead and throw the packing in there. But for now, we're gonna try it with no packing. That's what Moto recommended. One recommendation I'll make, if you guys are going to do this install yourself, is to put the baffle on the end cap first and then put it in the pipe, because it's hard to line up this hole with the baffle when it's just sitting in the pipe there. Also, it's a tight fit. The baffle's a tight fit in the end cap, so you don't want to be pushing and prying on your exhaust when you put this on. So make sure you put the baffle in the end cap first and then go ahead and slide it in just like so. Just like that. Make sure your holes are lined up all the way around, and now you're ready to screw these back in. Alright guys, so we got the new baffle in there. As you can see, we got the end cap buttoned up. Now we're ready to start this baby up and see what it sounds like with the new RTX baffle installed. As you can see in the video, it's significantly louder than the standard baffle that comes in the Road and Track 2-in-1 pipe. But let's put the saddlebag on, take it for a spin, and see what she sounds like on the road. Alright guys, so that's going to complete today's install video of the new RTX Baffle by Moto for the Jackpots Road and Track 2-in-1 exhaust system on my 2019 Road Glide Special. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I've got tons of Harley content coming for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace!